Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it into the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will look at the new version of website X5 2019.1. I will compare this version with the previous one, 17. The biggest change is 100 new templates. Now, site templates is not just a set of styles and images, but it's full project with pages, content, and objects. After choosing a template for a project, you cannot return to the template library and select another one. But still, even after choosing a template in a project with which you have already worked, you can change the graphic design without changing the content of the site, pages, blog, online store products, and so on. Let's see how this can be done. For example, let's pick this template. After download, we can save it and see the preview. Here we can see our website, here our page. We can change any object. Now let's go to template, settings, export import, and export this template settings. So first step, we pick up the template we need, then we export it, then go to our site. This is my project in which I will import settings, our template. First, we need to make a backup and better duplicate the project. Now load our project. Let's see the preview. This is site from my previous video tutorial. This is the main page. Look here. Also look here. Top button, footer, header, and menu. Now let's go to template, export import, choose the folder. Here is our folder, here our template. Let's open it. Here are some options. First one, resolution and responsive design. We may replace the breakpoints or keep the breakpoints of the current template. Here are breakpoints. You can leave it or replace with new one. Also, we can decide about objects in header or footer. We can replace objects, keep objects, or add objects. Here is our template content. We talk about these objects in header, in footer. So you need to decide what you want. I will leave like this and apply. After import is complete, save the project and see the preview. Here, as you can see, we have header from previous template, but menu items itself with our current template, current project. Here we can see content of our current project, but look at the button, the styles were applied from previous project. Here you can see the styles applied, but they don't match my dimensions of this square, so you can need to adjust some settings, but as you can see, footer also apply, so in this way you can import and export template. These actions are also useful not only for changing graphic design, but also when making change to different language version of a site. For example, if you made change to the graphic design of one language, then you can apply it to another language. Most notable change in this update is change in the interface. The developers have tried to make it more user-friendly. Also, they change logo of the program and introduce new version numbering principles. For example, previous version were 17 and the new one is 2090.1.6. 2090 means current year, .1 means first big update of the year, .6 mean smaller update. A new compression option has been added to Website X5 Pro. This option allows you to reduce the size of the project file on disk and speed up site preview generation process in built-in browser. The PHP mailer setting script has been updated. This was done to improve compatibility with hostings. Also, the object styles library was updated. You can see it here. For example, styles, library. There are new styles. You can import and export them. There were also other small updates, but basically that's it. In the next video, we will talk about useful objects and settings that will help you in work with projects.